Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This box came from Urban EDC Supply. I'm going to link this. I believe this is available at Urban EDC Supply. In any case, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. So I kind of remember this conversation. I looked at the side of this box. I haven't actually opened this up yet. I think this is a special variant of, yeah. I am kind of remembering this now. ProTech Godson with, look at that inlay. That's really nice. Hang on. Let's take a look at the outside of the box here. The Godson silver handle, fat carbon copper, space coral, inlay with mosaic button and a satin blade. I have never seen that inlay material before, but it is pretty cool. Look at that button, that firing button. So I really like the Godson, which is the shorter version of the Godfather. We have a Godfather here, one of the ones with the sapphire DLC. The Godfather is really cool, but the Godson is a much better EDC-sized knife. So I like all these different variations that they do, and I've already reviewed. You can actually check out my review of the Godson. This is a great knife. I really like it. It's one of those knives that is really not going to be a hard use knife, given, I mean, there's a lot of factors here that make this not a hard use knife. The main thing being the fact that it is a, fairly delicate, I'm not going to say delicate. It's got delicate geometry, right? The lock is plenty strong as far as locks go, but the geometry of the blade is more so for poking and simple cuts than, jackhammering or whatever you do with a hard use knife. But yeah, I like this one. Now, not everybody's going to like this. Initially, I thought this was wood, but again, it's interesting, the material there. Fat carbon, but what is it actually? What's the thing? There it is. Fat carbon copper space coral. Space coral, I guess, yeah, it kind of does look like space coral. I like it. I think I would enjoy it in a few other colors, but this is cool. So if you want to check this out, I'm not sure if this is an exclusive through Urban EDC Supply, but it is available there right now. Perhaps I need to do something again relating to the ProTech Godson, and boy, those do fire well. If you've never handled a ProTech knife, these are the best side-opening automatic knives in the world. I love 154CM and CPM 154. I don't really have a problem with those. ProTech does periodically like to use S35, if they use S45, I think they have done S45 in the Malibu, CPM 20CV. I think as far as, potential buyers are concerned, people just tend to prefer to see S45VN on their blades over 154CM, right? Whether or not they actually are gonna, utilize, some of the elements of S45VN versus 154CM is a totally different question. It depends on who's buying it, right? But as far as buyers of knives go in this territory, they like to see those types of steels over steels like 154CM. Me personally, I don't really care. I like 154CM. But, I kind of get it. I do like this silver on the aluminum. I wish that ProTech would do a little bit more with this. It's not raw. It's just kind of a silvery finish, and I think it looks good. But yeah, I wanted to share that one with you guys because it was a bit different from some of the other stuff that I had been seeing, as far as like some of the ProTech stuff and some of the Godson, Godfather stuff. So, excuse me. Anyways, very cool. You can check this out at Urban EDC Supply, and probably won't be doing a review on this one just because I've already talked about the Godson. You can check out my review if you want to. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thanks to Urban EDC Supply for sending this in for me to take a look at and share with you guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.